Good morning, students. Nice to see you again in this video. This video is about the science experiment. This is the experiment to prove that the light of the candle needs oxygen to keep burning. The first step, I light on the candle. The light is on because of the oxygen around it. Next, I will cover this candle with the glass, so the light will not get the oxygen, and we'll see what is the result. You see that the light of the candle is slowly turning off. Yes, it is proven that the light of the candle needs oxygen to keep burning. Okay, students, I want you to make your own experiment and let me see that. Thank you, students. Bye-bye.